What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. Thank you guys for joining. I wanted to show you guys this adjustable kettlebell that I was sent to try from the folks at Glaucus. Now, for a basic kettlebell swing, there's multiple variations and there's multiple techniques that you can use. But my personal preference, I like to leave my kettlebell roughly a foot to 18 inches in front of my feet. I'm going to keep a good flat back, make sure that I'm not rounding my spine in an unsafe way. Now as I pick it up, it's going to swing between my legs, which will allow me to hinge my hips, drive the weight up using my entire body up to shoulder level, and continue like so. Back, and then forward. Keep breathing, stay nice and relaxed, and you can continue as we are. If you wish, you can switch to a one-handed grip for an added challenge, switching every couple of reps, or however many reps you wish, at the top of the swing, like so. Of course, there are many other exercises besides the classic swing that you can do with a kettlebell. You'll probably need to adjust to different weights for those. And the beauty of an adjustable kettlebell like this one is that you don't need an entire set, which means you can do it in the comfort of your own home. So, to adjust, I'm simply going to line up the marks on the kettlebell with the marks on the base and simply rotate to whichever weight I want to use, leaving the remaining weight on the base. And now we are set, making sure that we don't hit the fan overhead for whatever type of exercise we want to do from that point. So, thank you to Glaucus for letting me try their adjustable kettlebell. Very convenient, works fantastic. And like I said, if you want to be able to work out in the comfort of your own home, an adjustable kettlebell like this can be a really good way to get a great workout while taking up a minimal amount of space. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you next time. Take care, everybody.